Hello everyone, hope you all well with good health and you are watching Bindu with Shama online cooking session. Today we are preparing tea time recipe or picnic recipe you can say. Spring is in air and mom doesn't want to stay in a kitchen for a long time. Mom also wants to go outside in a garden or park with the family. So you can take these all ingredients in a park or the garden and ask your children, your family members to help you, and you all together can prepare this recipe. We are preparing today various sandwiches, and if any of the sandwich flavor you like, please do prepare and do comment. To prepare our various sandwiches, I am using here lemon juice, grated cheese. This is mild cheddar cheese. I have grated here sweet corn and cooked with the salt and pepper. This is green peas paste. I have first cooked it and then made the paste, add salt and pepper and green chili here, salted butter. And this is ketchup with red chili sauce, green chutney with coriander, mint, lemon juice, green chili and garlic. Masala potatoes, I have added here masala like green chili, garlic, red chili powder, turmeric and pinch of garam masala and lemon juice I have squeezed here. Red cabbage, white cabbage, shredded carrot, shredded spinach, chopped red onions, some red chili flakes, garlic powder, salt, black pepper. Again here we have mixing of chili, garlic and salt. Two types of the bread, brown bread and white bread. Simple potato mash in which I have added 1 teaspoon, less than 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. And I am first preparing coleslaw sandwich. To prepare coleslaw, basically in a coleslaw we are using mayo, and mayo contains egg, and I want to make this eggless, so I have personalized this coleslaw recipe. To prepare coleslaw, I have used here half a cup of Greek yogurt and I have beaten here, and I am adding 2 heapful tablespoon of sour cream. Mix it well, very less salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, along with here I am using mustard oil, so 1 teaspoon of mustard oil I am using, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, pinch of black pepper powder, and mix all well. From this mixture I am taking 2 tablespoons out so we can apply on our other sandwich. 1 tablespoon of chopped cabbage, heapful tablespoon, 1 heapful tablespoon of shredded carrot, and 1 heapful tablespoon of chopped onion. Mix well. And here our coleslaw is ready to serve. So first I have applied butter on a bread slice, and I am using here brown bread. I am applying coleslaw on 1 slice of the bread. Cover slice on coleslaw. Again I am applying butter on the other side of the bread. Purple chopped cabbage and seasoning with chili, garlic and salt. Cover slice, and here our one sandwich is ready. Now I have used here white bread slices and I am making green sandwich. So for that, first I am using here green paste of green peas. I am sprinkling here chopped spinach. Cover with the bread slice. Again applying butter on it. Spreading green chutney with coriander and mint. Again chopped spinach. Again covering with another slice. So here our green sandwich is ready. Here I am using 2 types of the bread slice, brown and white. First I am applying butter again. First slice of the bread I am using green chutney and green paste of green peas. Covering with another slice, again applying butter. Using sweet corn paste. Before covering this With a slice, I'm applying here ketchup and red chili sauce. Press it gently, and our 3 color sandwich is ready here. So here our fourth sandwich is velvet sandwich. On one slice I'm applying chutney. Second slice I'm applying tomato ketchup and red chili sauce, corn paste. And if you have griller or toaster at home, you can grill or toast this sandwich. To prepare simple sandwich roll, ketchup and red chili sauce, sprinkling carrot. Now start to roll it. Now I'm going to break this sandwich roll in a toothpick, centering with glazed cherry. You can center with cube of cheese, and this is colorful carrot sandwich roll is ready. Masala potato, sprinkling chopped white cabbage, some onions, carrot, red cabbage, chopped spinach, shredded cheese, and seasoning with garlic, red chili flakes and salt, coleslaw cream, both the side of the slice, sprinkling some salt, pinch of the salt and pinch of red chili flakes. Applied here potato mash and sprinkling shredded cheese, covering with a slice, and one more mild sandwich is ready. It's time to roll. And if you have time, you can keep this sandwich in a freeze so it can set nicely. So I'm keeping this roll in a freeze for 5 minutes. So here our sandwiches are ready. This is roll sandwich with 2 color cabbage, potato mash sandwich, carrot sandwich, coleslaw sandwiches, green sandwiches, colorful sandwiches, and this is green sandwich with pizza flavor and velvet flavor. And you can have this sandwich with salad or during the tea time, tea or coffee. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Enjoy summertime with your family. See you all next week. Till then, bye bye.